Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS Zenfone 9, and today I'll show you how you can boot this phone into safe mode. So to get started, you'll need to access the boot mode by, I believe, holding the power key. Never mind. Okay, so we have the power button right here when you pull down your notifications. So let's do that once more. You can tap on this power button right here, and once you see your boot options, you want to hold power off. This will then bring out a window, reboot to safe mode. Confirm by tapping on OK. This will reboot the device. Once it boots back up, it will be then in safe mode. So I'll be back once the device actually booted up. So as you can see, now that the device is back up, we are in safe mode, which you can see right over here. And widgets don't seem to work in here. And you will also find that there is a bunch of applications, probably on your home screen, that look like this. The reason why they look like this, and the reason also why they don't want to open, is because we're in safe mode. And this mode is strictly designed to troubleshoot your phone. So if you have some kind of problem with any kind of application or stuff like that, you can just boot into this mode. Hopefully, if you had some kind of problem that the app was causing you that you couldn't solve normally, you can then solve it right here. And if some app was just considered a malware and was stopping you from using your device normally, once you boot in here, you can grab it, for instance, and just drag it over, remove it, and there we go. Hopefully your problem will be gone, as an example. Now, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to normal one, pull down your notifications once more, tap on the power button, and simply select restart. Once the device boots back up, it will go back to normal mode. And with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.